Hello and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. Today we are going to unbox the Expressions in Color June 2021 Paper Pumpkin Kit by Stampin' Up. This is one box that I will definitely be keeping. I love it. The Expressions in Color is designed to go with the Expressions in Ink DSP. Here's the Expressions in Ink Designer Series paper. It is fabulous, fabulous paper. So let's go through what's in the kit. We have the instructions to make these 9 cards. And the instructions, they've updated the instructions. They are really, really, really clear, easy to understand. They're absolutely wonderful, and I can't wait to make this card. It's looks absolutely fabulous. So the colors in this one coordinates with Bumblebee, Evening Evergreen, Fresh Freesia, and Polished Pink. So let's have a look at what's in the kit. So we've got some card fronts in the Evening Evergreen. We've got some labels, and look at this paper. Isn't this fabulous? Let's just grab a piece of cardstock so I can put it behind and you can see. Look at the detail in that, in the vellum there. So we've got some of that. And in this kit, usually even Paper Pumpkin, you get 1 Stampin' Spot. This month, you get 2, the Evening Evergreen and the Bumblebee, both in colors, one that started last year and one that started this year. If this is your first kit, you will get an acrylic block. Your subsequent kits don't include the acrylic block because you've already got one. So we've got 2 sizes of envelopes to go with the cards that we're making. We've got some Evening Evergreen linen thread. We've got some dimensionals. We've got some glue dots. And we have here some, if I can get them out of the package, sequins. Multicolored sequins. I don't know if you're actually able to see the colors of those. They are really, really pretty. And the stamp set says, "You are amazing. Thanks," and then a separate stamp that says "for everything," and then sending hugs, congratulations, and the word many. So you could do many thanks, many congratulations. You could do sending and then do the little insert icon and then hugs and put the many above here if you wanted to. There is a stamp here that I will be using in other videos, and I could use it as a Christmas one as well. Really like this stamp. And then a little floral center, and some little leaves. So that's the stamps that come with this one. And then we've got the cards themselves. How gorgeous are these cards? Look at that. Very, very, very nice. And then we've got some Bumblebee cards, and look at these labels that you can stamp on, and then they've got an Evening Evergreen border, and then there's the Evening Evergreen smaller size cards. And look at these punch outs. I am just thrilled to bits, and these have actually are really inspiring because I've got the Expressions in Ink paper, and I've got lots of dies that will cut leaves like this out, so I can see myself using a similar idea to this in lots of cards. And then we've got these vellum sheets with the greetings on. They actually have the vellum floral, and it actually is very similar to, in fact, matches the die from the Artistic dies that goes with the what is it called? The Artistically inked stamp set. So that goes perfectly. So you could, there are so many things that you could do to combine these. And you get the word thanks, danke, and merci. So you've got 3 languages that you can do greetings in. So that is the Paper Pumpkin Kit for June 2021 called Expressions in Color. You can pair it up with the Expressions in Ink Designer Series paper and use it with the Artistic dies and the Artistically inked stamp set. So thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for videos on how to make the cards that come in the kit, and then some out-of-the-box ideas as well. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you soon.